Cracking the Code of Time. AM and PM. Hello learners. Today we are going to unravel the mystery of time. Specifically, we're going to explore AM and PM, and understand where these terms originated from. By the end of this video, you'll know why we use these abbreviations to tell time, and how to use them correctly. Before we delve into their origins, let's make sure we understand what AM and PM mean. AM stands for ante-meridiem, which is Latin for before midday, and PM stands for post-meridiem, meaning after midday. So, if it's 8 in the morning, we would say it's 8 a.m. And if it's 4 in the afternoon, we would say it's 4 p.m. It's a way to distinguish between the two halves of our 24-hour day. The concept of using AM and PM to denote time periods came from the ancient Romans. The Romans divided the day into two 12-hour periods. The first 12 hours were from sunrise to sunset, and the next 12 hours were from sunset to sunrise. This method became widely adopted and has been used ever since. Ante-meridiem, AM, and post-meridiem, PM, are derived from Latin. Latin was the language spoken by the Romans and is often used in scientific and legal terms. Ante-meridiem, meaning before midday, was used to denote the hours from sunrise until midday, and post-meridiem, meaning after midday, was used for the hours from midday until sunset. While the 24-hour clock is commonly used in many parts of the world, particularly in military and healthcare settings to avoid confusion, the 12-hour clock using AM and PM is prevalent in several countries, especially in casual contexts. In the AM and PM system, the day starts at 12 a.m., also known as midnight. The AM period runs from 12 a.m. to 11:59 a.m. Then, the PM period begins at 12 p.m., or noon, and continues until 11:59 p.m. Remember that 12 p.m. is midday or noon, not midnight. This is a common mistake. Also, keep in mind that 12:01 a.m. is just a minute after midnight, and 12:01 p.m. is just a minute after noon. And there you have it. The mystery of AM and PM revealed. We've journeyed back to ancient Rome and returned with a deeper understanding of how we tell time today. I hope this knowledge helps you feel more confident when telling time and explaining it to others. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step you take makes you smarter and stronger. Keep going, and I'll see you in our next video.